Class 8 CBSC. Okay, I am taking random questions. According to that, you can take mark. Okay. So today I will cover some question. Even tomorrow also I will cover some questions. Okay. We can wait for 1 minute. Let others can also join. Okay. If you know the identity, then keep that identity ready. Okay, learn the identities and all the formulas because that are very important. Okay. Okay, then now we can start. So here first question, that is factorize. We are asking factorize 5x plus 3y, 5x plus 3y plus 10x square plus 6xy. 6xy. Okay, so here if you take these two terms and if you take these two terms, here nothing will come common, and here 2 and x will come common. Okay, so if I keep this 5x plus 3y as it is, and if I split it 5 into 2 into x square plus 3 into 2 into x into y. So here 5x plus 3y plus, if I take 2 and x common, then here 5 out of x square 1x will remain. Okay, plus here 3y will come. Okay, in the bracket. So now here you can see 5x plus 3y and 5x plus 3y here common. So 5x plus 3y I will take it as common. Okay. Once I will take it out, then here this bracket came out, that means here 1 will remain. 1 plus the remaining thing is what here? 2x. You can solve like this. Okay. Or how can you solve this? 5x plus 3y. I will rearrange the term. 5x plus 10x square plus 3y plus 6xy. Okay. And here 5 2s are 10. Factors of 10 is nothing but 5 into 2. So I will write here 5x, 5 into 2 into x square plus 3y plus 3 into 2 x into y. So out of this you can take 5x common, so x 1 plus here 2x. Okay, and plus here 3 and y are common. So 3y will come out, 1 plus 2x. So now check here, 1x plus 2, 1 plus 2x common, and remaining 5x plus 3y will get common. So you can use any one of the method and you can find it out. Here I directly did it and here I did a regrouping. Okay, and simplified. So on both the ways you will get the same answer. Okay, copy this. Okay, getting this, we can use regrouping method, or simply according to the given equation also we can simplify this. Getting how I factorize this equation, given equation. Okay, chalo. I hope everyone is copied, or you can take a screenshot. Okay, because we have to cover more questions. Okay. Now next question is that evaluate by using distributive property. Write down the question, evaluate using distributive property. and the question is given minus 3 by 8 into 4 by 7 plus minus 11 by 7 into minus 3 by 8. Minus 3 by 8. By using distributive property, I have to solve this. What is distributive property? Suppose A and inside the bracket B plus D is there. Then we are writing A into B and A into D. A into D. And plus sign is there. I wrote here plus. Okay, this is the distributive property. So if we take it out, then reverse of this. So here, if you observe this question, so I will underline this part. See, minus 3 by 8, minus 3 by 8 are the common terms between this first term and the second term. Okay, so can you take here minus 3 by 8 common out? So once you take minus 3 by 8 inside this bracket, 4 by 7 plus minus 11 by 7. Getting this? So here minus 3 by 8 into, now here 4 by 7 plus minus will become minus 11 by 7. So 11 minus 4 is nothing but how much? 11 minus 4 is also minus 7. So here into minus 7 by 7. So 7 and 7 get cancelled. Minus minus will become plus. So answer is positive 3 by 8. Getting this? Understood how I applied the distributive property over here? Can you all getting? Can you able to understand how the distributive property is used here? Here I took minus 3 by 8 which is common in both the terms. I took it out and I performed the operation. Okay. Copy this. Okay, copied. Okay, then write down next question. Find the product of Find the product of find the product of 5A plus 4B 2A square plus 5B plus 5B. Okay, now you can multiply this entire 5A to this entire bracket and this 4B with entire bracket. Okay, so how I will write check? So here 5A multiply 2A square plus 5B plus 4B inside this bracket 2A square plus 5B. Okay, now here multiply this 5A into 2A square. 5 into 2 is a 10. A raised to 1 into A raised to 2. We are adding the powers A cube plus 5A into 5B. That is 5 5s are 25. A into B. Here no powers are added because both are different numbers. Okay, and plus 4B into 2A. That is 4 2s are 8. A square B plus 4 5s are 20 into B square. So this is nothing but what the product of this given two terms. Can you getting this? How we did? Getting this? Okay. Copy this. Finished? Okay. I hope everyone copied this product. Now next question. I am taking random questions. Okay. Now convert them into standard form. Okay, the values are given 0.00 0, 258. 258. This is the first bit, and second bit they are asking us okay, these are the two numbers. We have to find out the standard form. Okay, now here decimal we have to shift it towards the right. We are going towards the right means powers will become negative. So here I want to place decimal over here. So how many jumps? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so I will write 2.58 into 10 raised to minus 4. Okay, and here we are going from right to left. Then powers are becomes what? Positive. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. So decimal is shifting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 3.69 into 10 raised to 6. Can you getting how to convert into standard form? Standard form means we have to write the numbers between 0 to 9. Okay, means we are not writing numbers 11.2 or 91.1. These are not a standard number. We are writing the answer 0.1 or we are writing 9.2 or we are writing 8.76. So these numbers are known as what? Standard format. So we are converting here standard format. If we are going from left to right, the power are negative, and going from right to left, then powers are what? Getting positive. So like this we have to solve these questions. Okay, getting this? Okay, everyone copied this? Okay, I hope everyone copied. So we can go for the next question. Okay, so now next question. Next is find the value for x. Find the value of x, and the question is given 3 2 raised to x plus 1 into 3 raised to 5. 5 is equal to 3 raised to 40. This is the equation. This is the question from the power and exponent. Always whenever this kind of questions will come, always check their base. If their base are same and check this is multiplication. That means here all the powers are get added. So power is here 2x plus 1 and this 3 power is nothing but 5 is equal to 14. Compare powers with power if base are same. So here 2x 5 plus 1 is 6 is equal to 14. So 2x is equal to transpose that 6 over here. So 14 minus 6 is nothing but how much? 8. Okay, 8 2 you can transpose. So here 8 divided by 2 is nothing but 4. The value for x is nothing but what here? 4. Getting this? Understood this? Everyone, how I did this? This is easy. Okay. So this is easy. X is equal to 4. Yes, correct. Then write down next one. Find out the factors of the given equation. Okay. Now this part is very important. I will trace on these points because these again questions you have in class 9 and 10 also. Okay. So focus on this kind of questions and try to understand how we have to solve. M square plus 9m minus 36. They are asking us to factorize this. So whenever this kind of questions will come, you can compare ax square plus bx plus c. Okay. So here a is a coefficient of x square, b is a coefficient of x, and c is a constant. Now this is known as a quadratic equation. This is also known as a quadratic equation. But here instead of x, m is given. Okay. So if you compare here, then a is nothing but if you compare this equation with this, so a is nothing but here nothing is there, that means 1. B is nothing but 9 and C is nothing but minus 36. See, I am writing with the signs, okay, whether it is positive or negative. If it is negative, and then I am particularly mentioning the sign. If you forget the sign, then entire problem has gone. Okay. So after this step, you have to take a multiplication of A into C. So A is 1 and C is minus 36, that is equal to minus 36. Now I have to split 36 in such a way that their sum should come how much? 9. Okay, then we have 9 4s are 36, correct? 4 9s are 36, but 4 plus 9 is nothing but 13, which is of no use, and if you subtract 4 from the 9 also, you will not get the answer. So we have to choose a number like that. So their multiplication is 36, but their sum should be what? 9. So here we have 12 3s are 36. If I take 12 plus and this is minus, 12 minus 3 is 9, no? Correct? So I am getting here positive 9. If you take this sign positive for a 12, then answer will come positive 12. Here suppose if it is minus 9, then give here 12 is minus 9 and 3 is plus. Okay? Because we are doing positive, negative is subtracting and giving a greater number sign. So here now I am splitting this 9m in such a way that 9m square plus 12m minus 3m minus 36. So I removed entire 9 and instead of 9 I wrote 12m minus 3m. Very important question. Okay, this kind of questions you have in class 9 as well as in class 10 also. Now take m common here. Here m plus 12, and if you take minus 3 common, so m plus 12. Because if you take negative sign out, then inside the signs, inner signs are get reversed. So now again m plus 12 are common, and here m minus 3. Getting this? So these are the factors m plus 12 and m minus 3. So this is what, these are the answers. Can you getting this? Yes, yes, your answer is correct. M plus 12 and m minus 3. It's correct. Okay, getting this kind of questions, these are very, very important. Very important questions are these. Okay, copied. Next question, write down the volume of the cube. The volume of the cube. I hope everyone is copied, no? Can I erase this? Can I erase this? Everyone copied? Okay. Sure. Then I will erase this and write down the next question. The volume of the cube is 700 and the volume of the cube is 729 centimeter cube. The volume of the cube is 729 cube. Then find the total surface area of the cube. Then find the total surface area of a cube. Okay. So here they are saying volume of the cube, no? Volume of a cube is nothing but 729 centimeter cube. Okay, and we know that volume of the cube is a cube, that is 729. Then 729 is the cube of number 9. Okay, cube of number 9. If I take a cube root on both the sides, then I will get A is equal to 9. Okay, if you are not sure, then go for the long division. Okay, so you can go for the prime factorization, 729. Okay, and start dividing this. If you start with 3, then 3 2s are 6, 1, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9. Then now again if you start with 3, okay, so this and here 1, so again 3 27, 3 9, 3 3s are 3, 1s are. So if you triple collect the triplets, then here you will get 3 into 3, that is 9. Okay, so I will get one side of the cube is nothing but 9 centimeter. Now they are asking us to find out the TSA of the cube. TSA of the cube is nothing but 6a square, that is 6 into 9 square, that is equal to 6 into 81. So 486 centimeter square is the answer. Getting this? If cube is given, then you will get the side. Okay, but you should know the formula for the all shapes. Okay, no problem. You can start solve with this number also. No problem. Okay. Next question, write down. I am taking random questions. Okay. Write down the next question. If two numbers are in, I hope everyone is copied, no? Everyone is copied from the board. Okay. Can I erase this? Can everyone copied this? Yes. Okay. So I will erase this from the board. I hope everyone is copied. Write down next. If the two numbers are in 2:7 ratio, if two numbers are in 2:7 ratio, then their sum is 162 and their sum is nothing but 162. Then find that two numbers. Then find that two numbers. Then find that two numbers. I will repeat this. The two numbers are in the ratio of 2:7 and their sum is nothing but 162. Then find out that two numbers. Okay. Here they didn't give the exact number, but the ratio we know that. That is nothing but 2:7. And if you take a sum of this, that sum is nothing but here 162. Okay, then what we can do? We don't know the numbers, but their ratio is 2:7. So let the number be x. So here 2 will become 2x and 7 will become 7x. Okay. Then they are saying sum of these two numbers. 2x plus 7x is equal to how much? 162. So 2 plus 7 is 9x is equal to 162. Then here 162 divided by 9. 9 is multiplied to this side. When you transpose to another side, this gets divided. Okay. So 162 by 9. If you do this division, then here you will get 18. X is nothing but how much? 18. So once you get the 18, then one number is 2x, no? 2 into 18, that is equal to 36. And another number is 7x, that is 7 into 18. Okay, and that 7 into 18 should be how much here? 18 sevens are 126. Okay, and how to verify here? 126 plus 36. 6 plus 6, 12, 1. 3 and 3, 6 and 162. Can you get it how to verify this? So here two numbers are given, their ratios are given, and according to the statement they are saying the sum of these two numbers is 162. So add these terms, dividing you will get x is equal to 18. This 18 is not an answer. Okay, 18 you can substitute in the 2x and 7x, so that I will get the two numbers. Okay, and if you take this ratio, no, that is also 2:7 or 2:7, because if you do it here 36 into 7, side 36, no, 2:7, yeah, 2:7, yes, we will get the answer 126, yeah. Getting this? Copy this one. Now write down next question. Find the volume of a cube. Find the volume of a cube with surface area. Find the volume of a cube with surface area 384. With surface area 384 centimeter square. Can you getting the question? So question is that find the volume of a cube with surface area 384 centimeters square. So here surface area is given, okay, and we want to find out the volume of the cube. So here one quantity is given, from that we have to calculate the surface area, the volume. Okay, so here surface area of the cube is given 384. Okay, 384 centimeters cube. So what is the surface area of the cube? Surface area of the cube is 6a square. Okay, and that is nothing but 384 is given. So whenever they are giving the area, then you have to find out the side of the cube, because in cube it is made by the square only, and we know that in square all the sides are same. So here a square is equal to 384 divided by 6, and if you divide this by 6, then you will get the 36. Then one side will become how much? 6. If you take a square, not 6, it's 64, that is nothing but 8. Okay, so here a square is nothing but 64. 8, a is equal to, we are getting 8 centimeter. Don't forget to write the units. But they are asking here to find out the volume. Okay, volume of a cube, and we know that volume of a cube is nothing but a cube. Correct? Then a cube is nothing but what? 8 cube, and 8 cube is nothing but how much? 512. 512 centimeters square, cube. Okay, so this is what the answer. Getting this? Yes, 512 cube, centimeter cube. Correct. Write down next question. Find the product. Find. I hope everyone is copied, no? Okay. Everyone is copied this question. Okay. Now we can go for the next question. We are asking here to find out the product. Okay. They are asking us to find the product of the given numbers. So product means multiplication. Okay. So now write down the given values. Find the product of 2x cube y square, comma, minus 5x y square z, comma, y cube x y cube z, and 4x square y z square. This is the question, and they are asking us to find out the product. Okay, so here how to find out the product? Product is nothing but multiplication 2x square y square into minus 5x y cube into z into 4x square y z square. Okay, then you can take all the numbers first. 2 into minus 5 into 4, now into x power is 2, here x power is 1 and here x power is 2. So add all the powers. 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 2 is 5 into y square, then here y cube. 2 plus 3 is 5 and here power of y is 1. So 5 plus 1 is 6. Okay, y raised to 6, and here z is not there but z is here 1 and here 2, that is z cube. Okay, now here 5 4s are 20 and 20 into 2 is nothing but 40 with negative sign minus 40. Okay, so minus 40 into x raised to 5 y raised to 6 z cube is the answer. X is 3 5. Yeah, I think in question this is cube. I think in question it is given cube, so here also comes cube, then here power will become 6. Getting this? X raised to 6 y 6 plus z cube, not plus, it's minus. Okay, getting this? I hope everyone is getting. Okay, copy this. Okay, everyone copied. Okay, we'll go for the next question. Now next question is very important because here now we are using the identities, and this identity again you have in class 9 also and 10 also. Okay, and those who are going for science, for them also it is there. Okay, so learn this identity properly and how to apply the identity where we require, that is also very important. So first they are saying evaluate, first bit they are saying evaluate 103 square. Okay, second is what they are saying, second 88 square, 88 square minus 12 square. Okay, and next is 108, third one they are asking 108 into 92. They are asking to find out, or they are asking this as a evaluate. Okay, so here normal multiplication is not required or normal calculations are not required. Here they are expecting to find out the answer by using the identity. So here 103 is there, then you can split this 103. Okay, like 100 plus 3 whole bracket square. Okay, so this you can treat it as a and this as a b whole bracket square, and this a plus b whole square is nothing but a square plus b square plus twice ab. Okay, this is what your identity. Now you can simplify here. A is nothing but 100 square plus 3 square plus 2 into 100 into 3. Getting this? Now simplify, do the calculation. 100 square, that is 10,000 plus 9, so 3 2s are 6, 600. So 10,609 is the answer. Okay, can everyone able to hear me? Can you able to see this session? So first answer is nothing but 1000 sorry, 10,609. Now here in this question you can use this as a square minus b square. That is nothing but you can write it as a plus b and a minus b. A plus b and a minus b. A square minus b square is nothing but a minus b and a plus b. Getting this? So this is nothing but what here we can write it as 88 minus 12 and 88 plus 12. So here 88 minus 12 is nothing but how much we have? 88 minus 12 is nothing but the 76. Okay, and this is nothing but what? 100. So this is nothing but 7,600 is the answer. So red color, with red color I wrote the identity. You just check the identities. Okay, so identity is very important here. Okay, so copy this one. Okay, after that this is also very important. Now 108 into 92. Okay, 108 into 92 is nothing but we can write it as 100 plus 8. Okay, 100 plus 8 is 108. But 92 don't write it as a 19 plus 2. Okay, here also we can use identity. 92 when you will get, when you subtract 8 from the 100. Okay, that in that case you will get the 92. Now here again you have what? The identity. No, we have the identity a plus b into a minus b, that is nothing but a square minus b square. So you can apply this identity. So a square is nothing but what? 100 square minus 8 square is nothing but how much? 1000. 10,000 minus 64. Okay, do this subtraction, and this subtraction comes how much? 99,030, sorry, 9,936. Okay, getting this? So these are the, this is the question. Okay, so here in all the three problems we use the identity. Can you getting this? We use the identity everywhere. So copy this and write down the identity. In exam also, writing the proper identity and solving is very important. For writing the correct identity, for the correct application, they will give you 1 mark over there. Okay, write down next question. Everyone copied, no? Can I go for the next? So write down simplify and evaluate. Simplify and evaluate. For simplify and evaluate for a is equal to minus 1, a is equal to minus 1 and b is equal to 3. A is equal to minus 1 and b is equal to 3. Okay, I will repeat. Evaluate and simplify for a is equal to minus 1 and b is equal to 3. Okay, and the question is given 3a plus 2b minus 6a minus 5. 6a minus 5 and inside the bracket b plus a plus 1. Okay, b plus a plus 1. This is the question. Here they are asking us to put the value a is minus 1 and b is equal to 3. Some kids, what they are doing, they are simply putting the value for a and b and they are calculating the answer. Maybe your answer will be correct, but examiner will not give the marks. Why? Because there is a statement they used, simplify. Okay, so first you have to simplify and then solve and then put the value. Okay, so 3 you can multiply inside this bracket, 3a into 2b, here plus sign is there, that is 6, 3 2s are 6, b minus 6a minus, now 5 you can multiply with this sign, so minus 5b minus 5 plus a is minus 5 into plus a is a minus 5a, then it is minus 5 because minus 5 into 1 is minus 5. Can you getting this? Now here check 6a, 3a minus 6a is nothing, minus 3a because they are like terms and both are opposite signs, subtract and give the greater number sign. 6b and minus 5b is nothing but 1b minus 5a minus 5. Now again minus 5 and minus 3 are nothing but like terms, so this will become minus 8a plus b minus 5. Now here put x, now further we can't simplify, so put a is equal to minus 1 and b is equal to 3. So minus 8a into minus 1 plus 3 minus 5, that is equal to minus 8 into minus 1 is positive 8 plus 3 minus 5. So 8 plus 3 is 11 minus 5 and 11 minus 5 is nothing but 6. Answer is 6 here. Getting this? Okay, so answer is what? We are getting 6 here. I hope you all are getting these questions. Some questions are easy but not straight, and some questions looks very straightforward but they are not like that. Okay, everyone copied these questions. Okay, finished. So we can go for the next question. Subtract. I hope everyone is copying, okay, or else you can take a screenshot. Okay, the aim of this class is how to use the identity and how to solve the questions. Okay, that is important here. Now write down next. Subtract 3x square minus 5x, 3x square minus 5x minus 10 from 4x square minus 7x cube minus 3. Okay, so now we have to subtract. So whatever is there after from, you have to write first. So 4x square minus 7x cube minus 3. Okay, what we have to subtract? This we have to subtract. Then 3x square and 4x square are like term, right below this. Okay, minus 5x. Where here any minus x term is there? No. So not x term. So I am writing this as a minus 5x aside. Okay, and then minus 10. Minus 10 means I will write below this minus 3 because 10 and 3 are the like terms, and I am writing with sign. Okay, I am not changing the sign, here it is plus only. Okay, now subtract. Subtract, whenever we are doing subtraction, be careful while doing this calculation. The terms which are in the lower part, their signs are get reversed. It is positive, it will become negative. This is negative, it will become positive. This is negative, this will become positive. Now here 4 minus 3, we erase this previous sign which is of no use now. Okay, so 4x square minus 3x square is 1x square. So here now is x cube, so I will write minus 7x cube as it is. Now here plus 10 minus 3 is nothing but plus 7. Okay, and remaining is what here? 5x. Okay, So maybe option is like this, or you can write the answer the decreasing power of x. So minus 7x cube plus x square plus 5x plus 7. Getting this? Okay. Or you can multiply with negative sign and simplify, but up to here it is okay. Getting this? Okay. I hope everyone has copied this question. Those who are not yet, they can copy fast, or you can take a screenshot. I hope everyone is getting. Yes, here it's going on revision for a maths class at CBSC. Okay, here full portion revision is going on. So randomly we are solving the questions from the different topic. Okay. Now write down the next question. Factorize. Factorize. First question is given. We'll write here. First question is given 9p square minus 42p plus 49. Second bit is given 36m square minus 25m square. Okay, and third bit is given y square plus 13y minus, no, not minus, plus 30. Okay. So this is also very important question. So check how I am solving. Okay, this is actually we are using here identities. Okay, so check how I am solving this kind of questions. So here check always the last two terms. Okay, so 9p is a square root of 3p. Okay, middle term is negative, so I will write it as negative. This 49 is a square root of 7 and whole bracket square. Why I applied this? Because expansion of 3p square is nothing but 3p square minus 2 into 3p into 7 plus 7 square. That is nothing but 9p square. 3 2s are 6, 6 7s are how much? 42p plus 49. So here I use the identity a minus b whole bracket square, that is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Can you getting this? Okay. So this is nothing but what? The identity we used over here. Getting this? This is I think 30th question. Check. Okay. 30th question, first bit we did. Now here you can see this question. 36m square is nothing but what? 6m whole bracket square, and if 25n square, if you take a square root, that is 5n whole bracket square. Okay, this will come how much? 6m plus 5n and 6m minus 5n, because here this is nothing but what? A square minus b square is nothing but a plus b and a minus b. This identity we used. Now here we are actually solving by splitting middle term method, because square root of y square is y, but square root of 30 we don't have. That will something come in root. Okay, so that is not there. So we are solving this by splitting middle term method. So that is nothing but we are comparing this equation with standard quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c. So a is 1, b is 13 and c is equal to 30. So again we are taking a into c, that is 1 into 30, that is equal to 30, and split 30 in such a way that their answer should come 13. Okay, so we can write 3 tens are 30. So plus 10 plus 3 is nothing but 30. Okay, so we can write here this equation y square plus 10y plus 3y plus 30. So if I take here y common, so y plus 10 plus 3 y plus 10. Okay, so y plus 10 and here y plus 3. Okay, getting this? So these are the factors. So use the correct identity everywhere. That is very important. If you know how to use and where to use the identity, then maths will be very easy. Okay, because again next year at the beginning of the year only we have to use again identity. Getting this? Copy this properly. Okay, copy this. Okay, getting everyone? Finished? Copied everyone? Okay, chalo, we'll go for the next question. Okay, so now next question is that find the product by identity. Find the product by identity. Okay, so first is given 2x. First is given 2x plus 5 into 2x minus 3. 2x minus 3, and one more sub question is given, that is 3p minus 4, no? Yeah, 3p minus 4 into 3p minus 4. These are the two identities we have to solve in one question. The two sub questions are given to find the identity. Okay, so can you try these questions? Check what is the how and which identities can be used. Check which identities we can use here. Okay. So in very first equation we can use the identity. Here this is x plus a and this is x minus b. That is nothing but x square plus a plus b into x plus a into b. Okay, this identity we have to use. Don't make a mistake. Here in this equation is x square, but here x is nothing but what? 2x. 2x square plus a plus b. This is a and this is nothing but b. So 5 plus, but this b is nothing but here minus. Don't forget, always careful about the signs. So here it is given a plus b. Of course, this is a plus b formula, but b is here negative. So you have to take with negative sign. Okay. So sorry, I made one mistake here. This is also plus. Okay. So formula is like this, and here x is multiplied, but here x is nothing but 2x plus ab. A is nothing but 5 and b is nothing but minus 3. Okay, now 2x is nothing but 4x square plus 5 plus minus is minus 5 minus 3 is nothing but 2 into 2x minus 15. Okay, so further I will simplify 4x square plus 4x minus 15. This is what the answer. This is the factorization of the given values. Now here this is very simple. No, the same 3p minus 4. 3p minus 4. A into a is nothing but a square. But here a plus a minus b, no? A minus b whole square is nothing but a square plus b square minus 2ab. This formula we can use because here negative middle sign is what? Negative, no? So it is the expansion of a minus b whole bracket square. This is the second identity from our textbook. So here a square is nothing but what? 3p square plus 4. Here no need to consider the sign. Okay, because the formula is only for a minus b only. So 3p square plus 4 square minus 2. A is nothing but 3p and b is nothing but 4. So this is 9p square plus 16 minus 3 2s are 6, 6 4s are 24. 24p, or you can arrange the decreasing powers of at p. 9p square minus 24p plus 16. Okay, this is what the answer. Getting this? Can you all getting how we are solving here and how the identities we are using over here? Here I saw it as a 2, that's what I took it as a 2 over here. Okay, everyone copied up to here. Okay, can I go for the next one? Okay, next question. I hope everyone is copied. You are getting which identity I am using to solve this. Okay, so now next write down. Find the common factor of. Find the common factor of. Okay, so here we can write find the common factor of. And the values are given 60, a raised to 5, b raised to 4, b raised to 4, 27, oh not 27, 25 into a raised to 7 into b raised to 3, and last term that is given 40 a raised to 10, 40 a raised to 10 and b raised to 5. Okay, so this is what the question. We have to find out the common factors. So if you want, you can split it or you can take it the direct factors, but I will solve by step. 60 a raised to 5 b raised to 4. 60 is nothing but 3 into 2, 5 into 2. Okay, 3 2s are 6, 6 5s are 25 is 30 into 2 60, correct, into a raised to 5 b raised to 4. Now next is 25 a7 a raised to 7 b cube, that is 5 into 5, that is a raised to 7 and b cube, and here 40 a raised to 10 b raised to 5. 40 is nothing but here 2 2s are 4 and 5 into 2. 10, 10 twos are 20 and 20 twos are 40, a raised to 10 and b raised to 5. Now check which one factor is common over here in all the three numbers, that is 5. So I will mark this 5. Okay. So common factor is nothing but first 5. Okay. Now then after that you have to take a lowest power of a. A is nothing but 5. That means a raised to 5 and lowest power of b, that is b cube. Okay. So here common factor is nothing but 5. A raised to 5 into b raised to 3. This is the answer. Getting this? Okay. So one last question we are doing and then I will end this session. Okay. So here write down the cost of 8 meter cloth is 448 rupees. So the cost of 8 meter cloth is 448 rupees and find the cost of 12 meter cloth. The cost of 8 meter cloth is 448 rupees and the cost of 12 meter cloth is. The cost of 12 meter cloth is. Okay. So here we can find it out. Here this is a direct inverse proportion question. Okay. So here they are saying the cost of 8 meter. Okay. Cloth length. Cloth length is 8 meter. In that case its cost is 448 rupees. Okay. Now the cost of 12 meter. In next case the cloth length is nothing but 12 meter. Then what is its cost? Okay, that we have to find out. For 8 meter it is 448 and for 12 meter of course cost is more only. That means here cloth length is also increases and cost is also increases. Both the quantities are increases, means they are in direct proportion. So normally I am solving direct proportion, that is x by y is equal to k. Okay. Always for direct proportion I am taking x by y is equal to k. So cloth length I will take it as a x and cost is nothing but y. Then here cloth length is x1, then cost is also y1. Now I know here x and y, that is 8 by 448 is equal to k. Now k you can simplify. Okay, you will get 1 upon 56. If you divide by 2, then you will get 1 upon 56. Okay. K I will get 1 by 56. This is a constant value. Now, but I am not interested in k. I want the value cost of this. Now in second case what we have to do, x1 by y1 is equal to k. This k everywhere will remain same. So here this is 12 by y1 is equal to 1 by 56. Now take a cross multiplication. So 12 into 56 is equal to y1. So here y1 is nothing but I will get it as 672 rupees. 672 rupees. This is what the answer. Can you getting? So for direct proportion we are always writing x by y is equal to k. Okay. And k will get everywhere same. Don't change that. Okay. In school maybe they are using different method. So accordingly you can go by that. But here I am teaching this because it's simplest method. Okay. And that k you can use for the further calculation. Okay, everyone copied this. Okay, we can do some question afterwards. Okay, tomorrow I will try to send the link. So tomorrow maybe we will go for the revision for more period of time. Maybe 2 hours is there. I will check whether we can take continuous 4 hours 2 hours, or I can split in 1 hour. According to that I will let you know. Okay, getting this? So everyone can leave this meeting. Okay, so tomorrow we can continue with the session. The remaining questions we will do it by tomorrow. Okay, thank you for joining.